In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize your own brush in the Grease Pencil Draw tool. Let's dive right in and explore how to take a basic brush, tweak it to your liking, and save it as a unique asset. First things first, we'll want to begin by creating a new brush. To start, head over to the Grease Pencil Draw tool panel. Here you'll see a selection of brushes available for your use. Find one that closely resembles what you're after and right-click on it. Select the option that says Duplicate Asset. This step is handy because it allows you to start with a foundation that you can build upon, making the process more streamlined and efficient. Once you've duplicated the brush, you'll need to give it a new name. This is important for keeping your brushes organized and easily identifiable as you create more. Next up, it's time to save your creation into an asset library. You can choose an existing user library, or if you're feeling particularly organized, create a new catalog to sort your custom brushes in an order that makes sense to you. With your brush ready to go, let's move on to the exciting part, customizing it. Select your newly duplicated brush and let's adjust its settings. The tool panel is your go-to place for making the magic happen. There are a few key settings you'll want to focus on. First is the material setting. Create a custom material for the brush stroke and decide on the style, be it a line, dot, or an intricate texture. Next up is pressure sensitivity. This setting lets you control how the brush responds to the pressure applied, affecting both the radius and the strength. For a more dynamic and natural effect, you might want to enable randomization. You can tweak settings like radius, strength, and rotation here. Don't forget about spacing. This controls how spaced out each stamp of your brush will be. And finally, post-processing offers a chance to simplify strokes after you're done drawing, smoothing them into the look you desire. After customizing your settings, ensure that changes are exclusive to this brush by pinning the material. Simply locate it in the material settings and right-click to pin it. Now, on to the last step, organizing and saving your brush as an asset. In the outliner, switch the display mode over to Blender File. Then right-click your brush and choose Mark as Asset. This action tags your brush, making it a definitive part of your custom toolbox. Finally, choose a particular folder on your computer and save the file there. This folder transforms into your custom asset library, a personal toolkit curated by you for future projects. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to create, customize, and save a brush in Grease Pencil. Keep exploring and refining your tools, and most importantly, have fun with the creative process.